Alright, coosa board finally came in. We had to wait a little bit because we're having a little bit of issues getting it from the supplier. We did get the boat taped up while we were waiting. We figured we'd just do that, but now that might have been a little counterproductive. But we got the coosa board here, ready to start cutting it. We're going to get into that in a second. Alright, we're just getting suited up here, putting on our Tyvek suits. I don't like being covered in fiberglass. It gets super itchy. It's definitely annoying. So we're going to try and protect ourselves the best we can with some Tyvek suits, goggles, and some face masks. All the cutting we did, we used carbide bits. All these tools are actually from Harbor Freight. I didn't have too many woodworking tools, so I just figured I would grab the set from Harbor Freight, and honestly they worked fine. Like I said, I used all carbide bits to cut through the coosa, and everything worked out good. I didn't have any issues at all. Basically, we're just chopping and fitting where we can. You want to get everything as tight as possible. Obviously, it can't always be perfect, but if you spend a little bit of time, you can get it as close as possible, and that's what we're trying to do here. I'm just trying to get this front section cleaned up the best as I can. Now, basically at this point, we have almost everything pretty much fitted up. I'm done with the front. We're just working on getting the back straightened out, so we have both our layers worked out. The fitment on the back was definitely really tight, which is what we wanted, but it was just tough to get everything to fit in and make sure it was working out. So we're going to use the chalk line to really make sure everything's straight across. We don't want to have to do too much work after the coosa board's in. Obviously, you want everything level and nice. So we're trying to get all the work in now, get everything cleaned up. Now that we have everything pretty much situated for the back, I did the front earlier. Check out the next video. We're going to start glassing everything in.